Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for She's Crafty, a mini paper pad class put on by Shannon. It is a 10-week class. We are on week 4. Each Sunday, Shannon provides us a sketch. The concept behind her 10-week class is to use your 6x6 papers or paper pads, your 7x8 paper pads, your 8x8 paper pads, and if you do not have any of those and you want to play along, use your scraps. What you're to do is select your paper pad and two 12x12 papers, and they can have a pattern on it or they can be cardstock, and then select your photos to create 2 layouts, all right? And you may wait to select your photos until you see the sketch. That's very understandable. I get that. I will have the link to Shannon's Facebook for this class listed below, along with Shannon's YouTube channel for this week. And of course, you can always go back to all of her videos, along with all the other ladies that are playing along with her that have agreed to post YouTube videos, such as myself. Again, I just want to reiterate, this is hosted by Shannon. She came up with this, which is a fabulous idea. So for week 4, we have this sketch that she got from the Hip Kit Club. I don't know what year, what month, but I'm sure it's posted over there. You can take any sketches and you can flip them. So we can do it this way, we can do it this way, we can do it this way, or you can follow it to the T. You'll never duplicate anything 100%. I mean, everyone, 100 of us post on the Facebook site, and we're all going to have a different version of this sketch, merely because of using different types of papers, different types of embellishments. It makes it different, right? You could use this sketch and not just only use one photograph. That didn't make any sense. Okay, with your sketches too, this one shows 1 photograph. You could use 2 photographs. You could use 3. You could stretch it to a double page layout, and it's the vice versa. Like if she provides a sketch and it shows to use 3 photographs and you only want to use 1 or 2, you can do it. There's no rules. There's no scrapbooking police person that's going to say, uh-oh, you did that wrong. Because trust me, I am always doing something wrong. All right, so anyway, this is the sketch. This is the photograph of me and my husband, of course. I'm going to set that aside. I am using the Truly Grateful, and this is the 7 or 6x8. And I didn't mention that too. They make 6x8 paper pads and 7x8s. And they even at one time used to make 5x5s and 4x4s, and now they make even the 2x2s. I forgot about those as well. So in any size that you have, all right, use. So I have the Truly Grateful. Then I have this 12x12 from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Whimsical Collection, number 21. And I chose to use this side, all right? And I am going to right now select papers that I would like to cut hearts out of, okay? And I do not have heart punches. I used to probably have about 48 hand punches. I got away from that a long time ago, and I use my Cricut. And so I am going to cut out my hearts using my Cricut off camera, because that's a noisy machine and nobody wants to hear that and watch that process and me stick my Cricut right here and put my papers through. I like this one, so I think I'm going to cut hearts out with that one. I don't want to use the trees. I like this one as well. I don't know if they would not go side by side, but I could have them in different locations cascading down. So I like that one. That might make a cool heart. It might work. I'm going to take that one as well. I need some blue in here. I like that flower, purple. You can see what tone I'm going through. I think I might use this to map my photograph. No, I don't like that. And that's white on white. I don't know what I'm going to do, okay? Ooh, I like that green. Might work. So let's take out the green. Ooh, and I like the blue. Maybe that's what will map the photograph. Make a couple of hearts. All right. So now we're going back duplicating. I don't want that pink. I don't want that white base flower because my background base is white. So I've got that. I've got that color. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's kind of a light mauve. Ooh, I kind of like that maybe for matting my photograph. Okay. Don't want that. That's a nice one too, but I don't think I'm going to get it real good. And you could create a heart with that. Do I want to do that? Might add a nice balance. All right, let's go with it. All right. So look at all the papers I chose for my hearts because I want a variety. The next step, now that I've selected all my papers here to use, is to pause the video and find some heart shapes from the Cricut design site and get those cut out. All right, here are my hearts cut out from my Cricut. These are the scraps that are left over. So this is one portion, and then this is the portion that I cut out. Okay, so those are done. And then I can use these for also layering behind my photograph. I also forgot to show in the beginning before I started cutting these hearts the embellishments that I put with this kit that I hope will work. So I'll show those briefly to you before I start matting my photograph. So we'll set that aside. And I forgot, I got out this little embellishment box. It has purples and pinks. This is my little traveling box when I go anywhere I travel and I want to do some scrapbooking. So it could be with other friends or when I go up to our mountain retreat property. I just have these little embellishments in these boxes. So I like that. I selected these puffy stickers that are from Bella Boulevard Illustrated Faith that I've been trying to get used up. I mean, it was a large 12 by 6 sheet, double-sided, and I had 2 different sets. They each had a kind of a different theme, but the color scheme was somewhat close. So I have those I thought would go. I have these couple hashtags and stars that I thought I might try to get used up. That's it that I have left of this collection. I think it might have been, I know it's American Crafts, but I'm not sure if it was a Chamel collection. I have Maggie Holmes. This collection, I thought I would use the title as in the sketch. The title shows on the side of the page. Live, laugh, love is what I'm thinking. Doesn't mean that's what I'll stick with. And then it had like a round circle with like a word phrase or something going across. So I thought, and then of course I could incorporate some of these hearts in with the layout as well. So that was my thought. Then I also thought, because my husband and I were besties, like we're bestie friends. So I don't know if I'm going to put live, laugh, love, besties. I'm not sure. So that's what I was thinking here with this collection. And let me see. This is Simple Stories, Kate and Ash. So there's like 62 stickers on this. So that was my thought there when I put this kit together. And then this is an afterthought. So I have these hearts going across or cascading down, plus there's printed tiny little hearts here on this 12 by 12 paper. But to add some more visual interest behind the hearts, I was thinking about taking this Tim Holtz wood grain stencil. It's going to work, and I'm going to start with the lighter color first. And it looks like I already have this color on this little pad here. And this stencil is kind of flimsy, and we don't want to go all the way across. Liking that. Yeah. See, I got to get this cascade feeling going down. Next, I am going to use this medium gloss spray in fuchsia and night and do some splatters, and it leaves like a glossy enamel type finish. This is the finished layout. I am extremely excited and pleased how this layout turned out, even though I did not use all the hearts that I cut out from my Cricut machine. I'm just pointing out my title and the other embellishments that I added. I also did doodling around the entire 12 by 12 paper to keep with that mixed media theme. And then I did a little bit of tearing at the bottom. Now be sure to check out the other ladies that are posting YouTube videos playing along with Shannon's 10-week mini pad paper class. Give a thumbs up and keep coming back and get out those photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way.